Welcome you all in my class again, dear students, and hope you are safe and sound from coronavirus, and you will always remain safe. This is my wish for you all. And today I have decided to talk to you something about choosing a stream after your class 10th, because it's a normal scenario. A lot of students are found in dilemma what to choose, what not after class 10th. And it's very difficult, very tough to make a choice about a stream, because many students are found under the pressure of their parents. In spite of their interest, they are forced to choose the streams which they are not willing to go in. So let us learn here what are the possibilities in 3 streams which are available in schools: science, commerce and arts, and what should be chosen keeping these in mind. So let's talk about the science stream. After selecting the science stream, there are open a lot of avenues before you, and students, those who want to become engineers, scientists and doctors, should opt for science. Apart from this, means engineers, scientists and doctors, the line of pharmacy is also open for you. And if you are interested in doing engineering, you can do PCM, that means physics, chemistry and math. One more avenue is there, that is medicine. If you want to go for medicine, you can opt for physics, chemistry, math with biology. Then comes commerce stream. If you are interested in doing CA or company secretary, then this line of commerce is the best. And if you want to go into the profession associated with accountancy, banking, management, finance, tax, investment banking or financial advisor, then commerce stream is the best stream. And you will have to study the subjects like economics, math, business studies and accountancy. Then comes arts stream, that means humanities. If you want to become a lawyer, journalist, literature or politician, you will get the opportunity to study the subjects like history, geography, economics, political science. And if you want to become an IAS or IPS or IFS or PCS officer, then all the 3 streams are open before you, because you can fulfill your ambition of becoming either of these by opting for any of the streams. Even if you want to serve the country by going to the army or police, then its path open from all the streams. And after 10th, you can also choose professional courses by taking admission in direct polytechnic or ITI. But what is important, before choosing any stream, before making a decision, all the below mentioned points should be kept in mind. That means what is your interest, give priority to that, and judge your passion, because unless you are interested, unless you have a zeal and passion to fulfill your ambition, your choice will be no more effective. Then you have to analyze your strengths and weaknesses in order to choose a stream. Then identify the right career option, and while making a decision, do seek the help from others. And if you are facing more confusion, then talking to a counselor is advisable. And don't care what other people say to you, because it matters a lot what is your own interest, what is your own passion. Of course, you should discuss with your seniors like a parent or your teacher or a career counselor. So this is all in today's video. We'll meet again with some more points. Till then, bye bye. And one my request, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and do press the notification icon. Thank you. Bye bye.